Good morning, everyone. It is my pleasure to be here in Torino, Italy, to present the third edition of the Spearhead PBE Award with the IED students. My name is Giovanna Pinna, and I am the Chief Executive Officer of Spearhead Italy. A warm welcome to all the IED students, professors, to the judges, and to my Spearhead colleagues who are connected with us from all over the world. Welcome. And now, please, it's an honor to introduce Robert Catalano, Chief Innovation Officer and co-founder of the Spearhead Group.
Hello, everyone, and thank you, and welcome to the third annual PBE Awards. We're so glad to have to be working with IED again. We are always pleased by seeing the output of all these great students, and looking forward to seeing what comes next. And thank you to all the judges and everybody, and ready to get to see everything.
So we wanted to say a very special thank you to Paola Zini, IED Director, and to Valeria Spada. Please.
Good morning to everybody, or maybe I should better say good afternoon for us, just for us. As previously Giovanna said, I'm Valeria Spada, and I'm the person in charge for here at Torino for the partnerships and the collaborations with companies for special projects. I'm here on behalf of the director, Paola Zini, who unfortunately cannot participate to this final presentation, but she has asked me to send her greetings to all of you. I would like just to take a few minutes describing YED IED School. IED is an acronym of European International School of Design. And this is a school of higher education that every year launches innovative projects in the field of design, fashion, communication, and arts. YED is a network present in 3 different countries: Italy, Spain, and Brazil. We have undergraduate courses, postgraduate courses, and masters. And in all these educational paths, we try every year to develop new and stimulating projects like this one that let the students to one side and the company to the other side to find out how to create new products and to create projects that fully meet people's requirements and needs. I would like to thank you, all the people here, all the students, the teachers, all the judges connected, and especially the Spearhead group, Giovanna, Robert, and Natale, for these interesting and very challenging projects. So really thank you.
We also wish to say a very special thank you to the professors that guided and assisted the students. And our professors are Marco Cassino. He's an industrial designer. He's an IED professor and also a Polytechnic of Torino professor. He is president of Fab Lab Torino and founder of Volcano Design Studio. And also thank you to Motoki Yoshio, if it is correct. He is a product and transportation designer. He is IED professor in Turin and Milano, and he is founder of Motoki Yoshi. Thank you. This year, we are honored and very pleased to have an excellent and well-qualified panel of judges. Let's introduce them to you.
At this time, we would like to introduce our PBE Award panel of judges. Patricia Bergetti, Head of Global Sustainability Strategies at the Spearhead Group. Seba Alcatrani, Director, Package Development Sustainability at MAC Cosmetics. Daniela Kohler, Brand Owner Manager, USA Carton Board at Billerud. Humberto Ibarra, Co-founder, CMO, and owner at Tequila Mandala. Luis Carlos Vega, R&D Lead at the Spearhead Group. Sarita Gonzalez, Project Leader, Luxury at Coty.
So to successfully carry out this third design project, we wanted to partner with a leader in the world paper making industry and one of our pioneers partner, Billerud. Billerud provides, in fact, paper and packaging materials that challenge conventional packaging for a sustainable future. Let me introduce you to the brand owner manager, Daniela Kohler. Daniela.
Thank you, Giovanna. Hello to all the students and professors at IED. Welcome to this competition. I just wanted to say a couple words about our material. I hope that you all found it very easy to work with. It is the most sustainable paperboard in the world. We are a Swedish company, so we are manufacturing this paperboard in Sweden currently, and we will be expanding to North America in a couple of years. So the board itself is definitely lighter in weight. It is made from the most modern paper machines in the world, and it is made of a triple ply. So it differentiates slightly from a traditional SBS solid bleach sulfite carton board in that it has one layer of SBS, and then the middle layer is kind of a bleached mechanical thermal pulp to add that strength, and then the third layer is also a solid bleach sulfite as well. So very strong board and certainly appropriate for the projects that you all worked on to be able to carry a bottle and a glass set in a safe and efficient, sustainable and minimal material way. So that's just a little bit about Billerud, and I look forward to being a judge and participating in the program.
Thank you, Danielle. And now let's see the brief and how our competition is structured. Please, Robert. Can you tell something about the brief?
Absolutely. So I don't know if you wanted to show the brief at all, but yes, thank you.
Yep.
So essentially, less is more. That's the theme here. Typically, what a VAP is, a value-added package, holds a bottle and two glasses. And as you guys see here, traditionally it's done in plastic. And what we're trying to do is eliminate these thermoform plastics. They're horrible for the environment. The impact on the environment is, I think it says something like it takes about 400 years for plastic to decompose in nature. It's also been told that we eat approximately a credit card a week of plastic because it gets into our food source. So the impact of plastic and the VAPs on the environment are pretty high, and we're trying to avoid that with this new program. So the goal is less is more. Eliminate plastic and make the most environmentally friendly VAP package in the world. We're using Billerud, as you heard. They are the most sustainable paper mill in the world. And we provided a bottle and two glasses for everyone to use the same. The output is we're looking for a presentation explaining the concept and the overall weight of the paperboard. We want to see a physical prototype that holds all the components safely. We want to have a die line and assembly instructions. And again, we made print on boxes optional but not required. The main criteria, the three primary criteria, is that it's visually impressive, is simple, and is functional. The visual impression is basically people only have a few moments when they walk through retail to catch their attention. So it has to be visually attractive. Again, we're doing this with engineering versus printing. So it's a real challenge. The simplicity is really important, not having a lot of assembly pieces. When we look at sustainability, we have to look at the footprint overall, and having less componentry and having less assembly is actually affects the environment in the end. We don't want any staples or anything, we just want folding. The functionality is really critical. It has to be able to hold the bottle filled with water. Obviously, when it goes into market, it would have whiskey or something else. But the VAP actually has to be able to hold the product properly without falling apart. This is critical to the project. Minimalistic, in the end, again, the criteria of less is more. The weight of the bottle and the glasses are eliminated, but the package itself has to be weighed and to see if it's the lightest of all. We're going to have first and second team prizes, and look forward to seeing who leads in this. Thank you.
So let's not wait any longer and see the projects the students have been working on during these months. We will see all the projects in one sequence, and at the end, we will leave time for any of your questions. Enjoy the projects.
Hello everyone, before we start talking about our concept, let's make a brief presentation of our team. We are Paolo, Francesco and Lorenzo. We come from different parts of Italy, and our cultural background, linked to the territory, has allowed us to draw on different design ideas that we have tried to include in our projects. The first packaging we present is called HUG. This packaging is made invisible according to the point of view from which it is observed. Thanks to the intersections between the material of the packaging and its content, HUG is able to blend concretely with the products. HUG uses the traction of the cardboard to wrap the products. Our challenge was to exploit a principle commonly used to wrap a single product to support free. This unusual packaging attracts the attention of the user thanks to its apparent construction complexity, because the zigzag lines creates a see-do-not-see interesting between the content and the container, exposing it almost completely. We have worked hard to optimize the weights of our packaging. Our main objective is to encourage as much as possible the elimination of waste material in the production stages, because its horizontal development consists of two thin and rectangular strips of paper. These two elements fit very well on the numeric control machine, allowing the manufacturer to optimize space and avoid waste of cardboard. In addition, we built a system that can remain compact and safe even without the use of glue, thanks to the use of hidden and easy-to-fit tabs, and also thanks to the interlocking system present in the upper handle used for the transport. HUG's montage follows a very well-structured logic. The first step is to join the small sheet to the large sheet using the tabs. The second step is to bend the small sheet to envelop the glasses. The third step is to fit the bottle in the right ellipses. The fourth and final step is to lock the handle using the tabs. And now enjoy our concept video. Our second proposal is called Flexible Bag. To achieve it, we focused on testing the performance of the material itself, with the aim of exploiting them both as an aesthetic element and especially functional. Flexible Bag has a minimal and slender design, capable of differentiating itself from the other simple packaging for the minimal invasive details, but at the same time have a functional role to the protection of products. The side curve you see in the presentation was created following what the material suggested us to do. We have studied the dynamics of the packaging closure. These curves represent the last and fundamental fastening element of our products in their optimal position. This locking occurs bend when the packaging is lifted up. We have worked hard on the weight optimization in our products. We saw industrial optimization in the simplicity of packaging assembly itself. As a first element, the packaging consists of a single sheet from which we also obtain the fastener of the products. Secondly, we thought of packaging without joints. In this way, the closing speed of the individual packaging increases significantly compared to the packagings with many fasteners. The assembly of the packaging consists of a few simple steps. The first step is to smear the glue on the tabs on the base. The second step is to join the packaging walls with the base. The third step is to bend along the incisions the dividers between the products. The fourth and final step is to fix the handle. The cure will lock in position. And now enjoy our concept video.
Hi everybody, we are Rebecca Costantino, URL designer, Eva Maria Francesca Troia, product designer, and Marco Mascoli, product designer. We are all students at the YED European Institute of Design in Turin. For the Spearhead group, we designed a new packaging called Not a Box. The title takes up from the concept of the box and its structure, which we have deconstructed to reduce paper waste, and we have focused on the study of the movement at the flaps so that they make it possible to support producers without an external structure. The packaging weighs 83 grams, 0.18 pounds. Its height 37 centimeters, 14.56 inch. Its width 7.8 centimeters, 3.07 inch.
Hello everyone, here is our team speaking, and is made by Morena Di Molfetta. She's a third-year student of product design from Turin, and she is 21 years old. She's creative, talented, and dynamic. Alessandra Pinto, she's a second-year student of product design from Taranto, and she is 19 years old. She is creative, adaptable, and charismatic. Together with Massimo Piovano, he's a third-year student of product design from Turin, and he is 23 years old. He is disciplined, determined, and confident. This is our project in collaboration with the Spearhead Group. The travel bag is designed to be the most light possible. Its structure embraces the bottle and the two glasses with an organic movement that follows their shape. Very interesting is the closure system, where its shape resembles a hug. Simplicity, lightness, vitality, and dynamism. These words guided us during the process of this design. The combination of all these characteristics have created a unique VAP that weighs only 45 grams. The travel bag is made by three components: The base that comprehends a tab that divides the bottle and the two glasses, avoiding a possible contact between them. The body that surrounds the content in a solo structure which integrates also the handle. The last component is a divider for the two glasses that covers their diameter. Below you can see the assembly system, which is very simple. The base is glued to the body thanks to the tabs that surrounds the perimeter. The handle and the closure are glued together as well.
Wow, good job. Really hard work and amazing. Robert, would you like to say something?
Yes, I'm just really impressed by the video montage. It's just amazing. This just proves why we work with Yen. The I'm just really lost for words about how impressive everyone's packaging is and designs. You guys really put a lot of work into it. You really took the initiative to follow all the rules. I love seeing that. I love seeing all the designs and just very, very impressive. So well done. Applause to everybody on that. Before we go into judging and taking a break to judge, I wanted to see if any of the judges have any questions. I have a question myself that I'd like to ask for the. I'm curious about the unordinary box that was done by the team. I'm just curious how you actually cut that detail into the box. Did you do that with a laser cutter or did you do it by hand? Because it looks very intricate.
With the laser cut.
Wow, and
We cut with the laser cut. I design the texture myself, and after we cut to the laser cut.
wow, it's very impressive. And then just one more question, and then I'll leave the judges if they have questions. But the travel bag uh, design, the travel bag design, I think is very interesting, and I see you running with it at it looks like a train station. That's
Yes.
exactly the kind of thing that I was curious about. That's how a consumer would use it. What made you think of doing it that way, testing?
So we just gave this name because we imagined this packaging in the real life. So we just thought about how people go and run with it, and so we just decided to make some videos about it, and that's all.
It's pretty brave. Did you have anything where it came out at all, or is that your actual
No,
video?
not at all. No,
Wow,
not at all. It was safe. Yeah.
excellent, excellent. Any other judges have any questions?
I have one. I just wanted to ask about the flexibility of the material as you were working with your prototypes. Many of them have a lot of complex curves, a fair amount of scoring. So I just wanted to know if you found it easy or challenging to work with our Billerud material?
So it was a bit challenging work with the paper because with these curves, sometimes it makes some scratches on the curves, and so we had some problems with that. But anyways, at the end, I think we all worked with it and we managed to not create the scratches.
Any other questions from anybody? Natalie?
Yeah, can I just say something? I don't have to say thank you to or a question to anybody, but I just want to say a special thank you to the two professors, Marco Cassino and Motoki-san. I know how hard they worked on this, and I think they deserve a big thank you from all of us of the Spearhead groups.
Absolutely, absolutely. It's clear that the professors did a great job guiding
Yes.
everybody. Any
So
other questions?
if there are any other questions,
Luis Carlos has a question he typed in. We can read
I
that.
can I can tell it again. I thought I don't have the micro, but for the Xbox back, the assembly seems are a little bit complicated. But how they felt it during the process while they assembled everything?
So we we thought about the assembly system thinking to the pizza box. So the pizza box is all together thanks to the circular tabs that goes in. So we kind of projected that in our packaging. So we thought about this thing, and we thought about also to not use the glue. So it's a unusual way to assembly the packaging.
But it was complicated to assemble.
Not really. It's not really.
Okay. Very good job.
I do
Thank
have
you.
one. I do have one more question before we go. The hug package. That's a really unique system, and I believe you're saying that you don't use any glue. It's all tabs. Is that correct?
Yes, we don't use glue, we use only tabs because we use the traction to keep the bottle and the glasses in place. So glue is not necessary.
Wow, and the packaging world, that's a brave step forward. So I'm very impressed by the attempt there without glue. Anyone else have any questions? Okay, Giovanna, I think we go into
Okay.
judging
Let's
then.
have a short break. Okay, then. Guido.
And
Okay, let's have a short break to allow our judges time to summarize and finalize their decision. And see you in 10 minutes then. Okay? And welcome back. And before we find out the winners, we wanted to congratulate again the students, as Robert said, and Natale and the judges. And we know it was not an easy job. There were many rules to be respected. We noticed that you all worked hard and with passion. And passion is what must never be lacking in the work you will do. So good job, guys, and luck for the good luck for the future. And I would like to turn to the professors to ask a few words about this experience.
Thank you very much. Thank you to Spearhead to give us this opportunity. It was a pleasure to work with Motoki. It's a very good. It's a very pleasure, and was very challenging, but you do. So keep doing hard, as you know. So never quit late, or always do like that. So this is the first step in the real world, and I hope you'll hear about you in a few years again.
And now let me tell you which team qualified in second place. Congratulations to the team of Bosetti, Noli, and Ravarino with the Hack project. Who wants to say something?
Hello, everyone. Thank you for the opportunity given, which allowed us to learn a lot about how to work with a company. It was challenging to design the prototypes. Thank you for choosing our concept.
Robert, would you like to announce the first place team?
Yes, I would. And first, I would just like to say, again, congratulations to all the teams. Everyone did a fantastic job. This is proving why we choose Yen. The output from everyone is so professional. You guys all should be proud of yourselves. The showing is just amazing. I really, again, I wish I could have been there, but I'm glad we have this video connection with technology. And without further ado, I would like to announce the first place team. This is Di Malfada, Pinto, and Pavano. Travel Bag is first place. Congratulations, guys. You did a fantastic job on this. Really very, very impressive.
Okay, firstly, we want to say that it was a great challenge for us to participate to this contest. We try to identify ourselves into the values and the mission of the Spearhead, trying to create a new vision of value-added packaging that could fully embrace the sustainability themes and issues that are very important for us and for our generation. So we want to thank you deeply a lot for this great opportunity that you gave us. Then we want to thank the IED for introducing ourselves into this new reality. And we hope that this can be a possible and fruitful collaboration in the future. So thank you so much to everyone.
Thank you. Well done. Well done.
Vai su Robert. But we have
Yes,
another things to say.
Yes, I would like to make a special announcement. Usually we do first and second prize only, but I was very, very impressed. The judges were all very impressed by everybody. And there was one that stood out that we'd like to purchase the rights for from Spearhead. And that is from the REM team, Not a Box. We would like to purchase that design. We think it's very exciting and interesting. Yes, we would like to congratulate you guys for having this this opportunity to show something cool. You did a really cool job on that, so thank you.
Thank you, Spirit Group, and yet for giving us the opportunity to participate at this contest.
So, Robert, I think we have finished. Thank
yes,
you,
wonderful.
everybody. and congratulations. And waiting for the next competition next year, and stay tuned.
Thank you, everybody, for your participation. Thank you and congratulations to everybody.